Hello guys, welcome back in my new video of Sam Gamer. Today I'm showing my collection 2021. So here we go. So guys, I'm here using this Skylar character over here. You can see, right? Yeah. I have CR7, Lucetta, Jota, Joseph, max level, Hayato max level. Almost all characters are max level, guys. I have Shiro. So next, let's go in the vault. Okay, I have the previous Bloodwing City Elite Pass. I have the Oni Soul Seeker. I have Famine Felon, Liberian Bundle, Grim Reaper Bundle, Top Gamer Bundle, Ancient Rome Bundle. I have the Punkster Runner Bundle. I just have this Snowman Hat. Then Toxic Lime Python Bundle. Fearless Warrior. This Imperial Corpse. Summer Bundle, I only have the goggles, the shoes and the hair. Gentleman Bundle. Then I have the Booyah helmet. And finally the Tuxedo Bundle, guys. So here I have the Spectre Basher Bundle. I have the Night Clown Bundle. I have this Goggles Spa Holiday. I just need the hairs, guys. Then I have Storm Whisperer Bundle. And I have these Thug Life goggles, Dizzy Eyes, and I have One Night Suit Bundle. Guys, I liked its shirt. It looks like Season 1 Elite Pass, guys. So in paint, it's the classic India Oni Soul Seeker. Shirt, there is nothing much. Pant, it's all the same. Shoes, it's the same. Here I have this Phantom Bear, guys. Alright, so let's set our outfit. And I have this shirt, prisoner shirt, and I'm using the lucky red top with jazz pant. I have the jazz pant, guys. Then I can use these Spa Holiday shoes, but I'm gonna use the shining boot. And I have the soft mint shoes as well. So crates, I have 3 crates over here. We'll open at the ending. Others you can see what and all I have over here. Guys, I'm waiting for this MA2B skin, guys. I'm really waiting for this. I have 16. I just need 2 more. Then in pet, I have the mechanical pup, kitty, and I have Falco. Guys, the new pet is over here. It's called Mooney. So the skill is 20% damage reduction when owner is in interaction countdown. Yep. And collection, I got some new emotes, guys. I have this one finger push up. This is the Cobra emote, guys. This is the Cobra emote. It's written, guys. Look, Cobra. And I have the CR7. I have triple kicks from the Elite Pass. I have Shake With Me. I have the Threaten, Dangerous Game. Let's go. So I have the Motorbike Spectre Squad, and I have the Motorbike KO Knight. So I'll equip this one, and I have Jeep Bloodwing City. Backpack, I'm using the Dragon backpack still. I have not even used the Ghost Trapper. Bloodwing City, Vampire Bat, Cobra, Guardian, KO Knight backpack, Cute Dragon, Baby Clown, Crystal Soul, Anubis Legends 2, Ultrasonic Rave, FFCS, Spectre Squad, Chrono, One Punch Man, Top Hat Bunny backpack. Guys, this was my first backpack, backpack skin. I have the Hysterical backpack, Plan Bermuda backpack, FFCS Disciple Bundle backpack, Cyber Bounty backpack, Classic backpack. Loot box, I got this, guys, for free. Celadon Grail, Ghost Gamer loot box, Saitama loot box, Bloodwing City loot box, and many more, guys. I have Death's Loot, Final Catastrophe, Maniac Jinx, Booyah Day loot box, FFCS Rocket loot box, Egg Hunter loot box, Recycling loot box, and Beach Crate and Classic Crate. Surfboard, Bloodwing City, and Spectre Squad surfboard. Surfing through the stars, and many more, guys. Parachute, I got this from the Faded Wheel, and I have many more. I got this for free as well. Faith, then only Liberty Spin, Avatar. I have so many, guys, but I'm using the blue one because I love blue color. I have this as well, but I like cyan the most. And I have this so many banners, guys. Look, banners, Avatar banner. I have so many, guys. I can use Winning Goal. I was using this recently, but I changed it to Season 18 Silver. Skywing, I have Skywing MK1. So next, weapons. Evo gun, I only have the UMP Booyah Day, guys. I have not upgraded it because I didn't like it. And I've upgraded, but I'm not using it because I didn't like it. And so let's go to the armory. I have 4 skins of M4A1. I have this, I have this one, and this one. But I'm using M4A1 Genos. AK, I have 6 of them. M14-0, Scar, I have 2 of them. Groza, it's one of the best guns, guys. I have 2 of them. Cheetah, Bumblebee Sting, I have 2 of them. M2490, FAMAS 1, M61, 2 of AN94, SMG's UMP, Nutcracker, P90, and MP40. 3 skins of these, guys. Thompson, I have 2 of them. Shotguns, I have only 1 of these. 3 of these. Max 70, M18870. Snipers, AWM 0. Kar 98K, 2 of them, guys. MA2B 0. Pistol, USP 0. Desert Eagle 1. G18 1. M1873 0. M500, 2 of them. Lee, Pan 2. Parang 3, guys. I got this from Bloodwing City, guys. If I get bored of this, I'm gonna use the Bloodwing. Fine, I'll equip this for now. Bat, I have 5 of them, guys. I have this Ghost Basher, Death's Final Strike, Boya Day Bat, Cobra Bat, Classic Bat, and Hand of Victors. Katana 0, Strike 0, Fist 0, Grenades, I have 6 of them, but I'm currently using the Pineapple Grenade. Could use this one as well, guys. This one is also good. Then Classic Grenade. It says Gren Hand, guys. It says Gren Hand. Blue Wall 0, others 0. So let's check. Guys, this is the new Elite Pass, Theater of Torment. I've collected 111 so far. So I do not like anything of this Elite Pass, guys. There is nothing much which I liked. It's not even looking good, guys. Look at this. I'm waiting. I want this one, Flaming Hydra, and this looks like Charizard. I would like to have a Magic Cube, guys. So yep, that's it for today's video, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.